Rindwa. I have been practicing yoga. I love to do it.
Vidhi is a beautiful creation of the God. She is 13 years old, diagnosed with the Down syndrome. She is generally an active child and loves to keep herself occupied by doing things that interest her, such as dancing, dramatic arts, and yoga. Yoga has been very close to her heart, and she has been practicing yoga for last 5 years. In that, she has been practicing super brain yoga and specially designed breathing exercise, asana sequence, pranayama, meditation. Yoga has helped improve her attention span and focus, not only academically but across many other aspects, and it has instilled a lot more energy in her while she does various tasks and keeps her more mentally alert and active throughout the day. She has been able to reduce and maintain a healthy weight since she got into yoga, and now she wishes to teach yoga in her journey of learning the same and wants to become a yoga teacher. Yoga has helped build her overall immunity and also is strengthening her respiratory system. As yoga works holistically, the practice can improve strength, coordination, balance, respiration, eyesight, and many other key areas for children with Down syndrome. The genetic condition categorized with weak muscle tone, and since all the internal organs are themselves muscles, there is a tendency for children with Down syndrome to have weaker internal systems. Through regular practice of yoga, this can be addressed and improved. This is one reason why yogic breathing exercises are so beneficial, as they not only improve the respiratory system but also strengthen the internal organs, improving general health and development. Over time, these exercises will improve the central nervous system's functioning and impact motor and cognitive development, boosting body awareness, concentration, and memory to have a positive effect on the child's everyday life and learning abilities. Joint dislocation is also quite common suffered by children with Down syndrome, so working on body strength and core strength is fundamental. Therefore, asanas and sun salutation or Surya Namaskara practices are of great benefit in terms of strengthening the whole body and the entire nervous system. Here we are going to have a full session yoga for Down syndrome.
Inhale, hands up. Exhale, go down, touch your toes. Inhale, take your right leg back with you. Put your knee down. Put your knee down. Take your arms up with you. Take your arms up in Namaskara. No, take your arms up in Namaskara. Look at me. Very good. And slowly go down. Take your front leg back. Come in the plank. Come in the plank. Plank position. Then drop your knee, chest chin. Inhale up. Try to do full cobra with me. Full cobra here. Touch your feet to the head. Okay, no problem. And front leg, right leg front. And left leg front. Join your palm. Breathe in. Come up. Come up. Take a back hand. Very good. And to the chest. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg back. Exhale right leg back. Drop your knee, chest in. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg forward. Repeat. Exhale right leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Can I have 4 more rounds? Start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale right leg with you quickly. Look up, look up. Look up, look up. Exhale, left leg. Drop your knee, chest chin. Inhale, rise up in cobra. Exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Join your palm, breathe in. Continue 4 more breaths. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, left leg. Drop your knee, chest chin. Inhale. Exhale. Leg front, Kriti. Exhale, other leg. Inhale up. Exhale to the chest. Quickly continue 3 more rounds. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. Drop your knee, chest chin. Breathe in, rise up in cobra. Breathe out, mountain pose. Breathe in, right leg forward. Then other leg forward. Very good. Join your palm, breathe in. And breathe out to the chest. Can I have 3 more? Quick. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg. Exhale right leg. Drop your knee. Chest chin. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg forward. Exhale right leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale to the chest. 2 more with you. Inhale up. Exhale down. Right leg. Left leg. Drop knee. Chest chin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale right leg forward. Exhale left leg. Inhale up. Exhale down. We are going to do one slow breathing. So you're here. You inhale, raise your arms up and take a nice back bend. Push your hips forward. Back bend, back bend, back bend. Hold. Hold. And then go down. And try to touch your head to the knee. Very good. Put your palms down. Put your palms down. Take your left leg back. Put your knee down. Take your arms up with the arms up in Namaskara. Very good. Hold. 1, 2, hold. 3, 4, 5. Hands down. Take your front leg back. Come in the plank. Hold the plank with the plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knee. Knee, chest, chin. And inhale, slide up in cobra. Slide up in cobra. Try to touch. Very good. Good. Try to touch with the little more, little more. And yes. And go in the mountain pose. Mountain pose. Be there in the mountain pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your left leg forward. Left leg forward. Take your arms up. No. Left leg forward, arms up. Quickly. Yes. And slowly go down. Take your back leg forward. And head to the knee. Join your palm. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. Mukha dhoti. Come on, Viti. Keep exhaling through the mouth. 1. Keep exhaling through the mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Stand up and relax like this. Leg apart. Arms hanging down. Relaxing. Now, Viti, can you teach me 2 sun salutations? Come top of the mat. Quickly, see and say the breath, how to do it as if I am the student, you are a teacher. Okay, start.
Inhale.
Louder.
Exhale.
Hmm.
Back.
Hmm.
Back.
Hmm.
Knees in.
Hmm.
Chest in.
Hmm.
Knees.
Hmm.
Heel. Then
Hmm.
right back. Left leg back.
Hmm.
Heel.
Hmm.
Exhale.
One more.
Heel.
Hmm.
Exhale.
Hmm.
Right leg back.
Hmm.
Left back.
Hmm.
In.
Hmm.
Nail.
Hmm.
Nail.
Hmm.
Right leg back.
Hmm.
Back.
Hmm.
Nail. Exhale.
Very good. Very good. Now, Viti, from there only, you will be doing this back bending which you used to do like this, like this, like this, like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Try. Try. Do it. Very good. Good. Fall back nicely. Good. Hold. Make your knees straight if possible. Lift little more and hold. 1. Very good. Smile. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to come back same way. Get up. Good. Join your palms and relax here, Viti. Relax here. Very well done. With a smile on your face, you're relaxing. And next, Viti will show me Super Brain Yoga.
Yay.
Okay? So, you keep your leg apart and you take your left hand up, hold the right ear, the earlobe, and then other hand with holding the other opposite ear. Then you're gonna inhale, sit, exhale, up. Inhale, sit, exhale, up. Inhale, sit, exhale, up. Inhale, sit, exhale, up. We are going to do 10 more. 10, 9, 8. Now you will count with the 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
you will be sitting here nicely and exhaling through the mouth. Keep sitting with a smile. Be there. Be there. And slowly you breathe in and come up and relax. Very well done.
Yay.
Now from here, you will start doing another pose. Keep your legs separate and hold your waist like this, and you will go down like this, like this, like this. Hold your ankles or heels and touch down your head. Take your head down, you can drop your elbows if you want, and then head touching the floor. Very good. Can you take your head little inside, Viti? Little inside, head, little inside, Leg more separate. Knee more straight. Very good. 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 Touch your head down on the floor. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You come on your palms with it, there only. Hold your ankles, how you went down. Same way you're coming up. Then slowly shorten the distance and you're coming up. Well done. Relax. Relax. You can exhale through the mouth if you feel so much tired. Keep breathing in and out. Now Viti is going to practice a tall tree pose.
Okay.
Okay. You can do it with the wall. If you don't find your balance, go behind and take the support nicely and put your leg here and take your arms up and hold with me. Keep your back straight, hands more straight, Viti, hands more straight. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a smile. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and 10. First you release your hands, then you release your leg. Nicely. Okay. Now we do other leg. Like this. Then you take your arms up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands and release your leg. Relax, relax, relax. Now quickly you'll be doing one more balancing postures which is your favorite. Come on. Start. Whatever you can do. Good. Try. 1. Take a wall support. The wall in front of you. Keep the hand there on the door. Yes. And hold. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come back. And release. Now other side. Other side.
I am doing.
You need to turn other side, Viti. Turn other side.
Oh.
Now do it. Hold. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back and relax. Relax nicely. Now we are going to sit, and in the sitting position you will teach me animal breathing exercises. First you relax yourself like this. Shake your legs quickly. And then you put the lotus with it. Put the lotus pose nicely. And now just meditate for a while on your breath so your breathing gets normal. Now can we practice the lotus lifting? before we practice any breathing? Okay. Try. Try. Come on. No. Balance on your hands like this. Put your hands down and try to lift little if you can. Don't release your hands. Don't release your hands. 1, 2, come on, 3, 4. It's okay. 5. Relax, relax. Vidhi, take your arms up. Namaskara. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, can you drop your right elbow on the floor? Be in the lotus pose. Left hand over the head. Very good. With a smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, slowly Vidhi. And now drop your left. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up Vidhi. Can you drop both the hands on the floor and head on the floor without releasing the lotus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out. Down. Okay. Now you relax. And now I want you to do child pose. Child pose quickly. Child pose. Yes. Now from the child pose, you will go in your half headstand with you. Half headstand. Half headstand. Like this. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then drop your knee and relax in the child pose. Relax in the child pose. Okay. Try one more time. 5 counts with the half headstand. One more time. 1. Little more leg forward. Walk your leg inside. Walk your leg inside. Make your back fully straight. Little more. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax in child pose. And once you're done in child pose, then quickly go to the wall and try full headstand. Now you're going to take your leg up on the wall. Very good. Good. Keep hopping up. Come on your one leg. Keep doing whatever you can do. Just try, keep trying. Very good. Keep trying. Yes. Very good, Vidhi. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down with it one by one. Yes, relax in child pose. Relax in child pose. Don't come up. Very good. Now slowly you can come up. Put your mat back how it was before. You can put your lotus on with it. And now you will teach me this breathing. How we do it? Can you just explain the breathing?
Okay, so first you have to put the toe in the nose and then
Very good. Good. Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Only hands are moving. Can you give me 10 breaths here? Can you change the nostril now? Other nostril. Very good. Put your heads down and relax. Eyes closed, relax. Now Viti will take both the hands up. Yes. Can you show me how to do it? 10 rounds. Properly, properly, properly. You are a teacher here. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax, relax. Okay. Can we do one more breathing with you? You close one nostril, and with one nostril we will do inhale and then we'll do humming bee breath. 5 counts. Okay, inhale. I want to hear the humming bee sound. Continue, inhale and do. Very good. Continue. Two more breath. Don't move your other hand. It's in mudra. Very good. Now change your nostril, Viti. Take other hand in mudra. Yes. Start. Relax, Viti. Now I want you to do next breathing, which you did many times, like this. 3 fingers on your eyes, 1 finger on your forehead, which is index finger, and thumb closes your ears tightly, and you will inhale and you will hum like a bee. Keep doing. Two more breaths. One more breath. Very good. Relax. Relax, Viti. Keep your hands down. Relax. Now I want Viti to lie down for 2 minutes in relaxation. Come on, lie down on your back and relax. Leg straight, leg straight. Hands down. Eyes closed, do not move, relax yourself. Start counting your 10 breaths inside in your mind, but do not disturb your breath. Just count. Don't do inhale, exhale from outside. Just count your 10 breaths. One breath you will count as an inhale and exhale. Now slowly stretch yourself, Viti. Stretch yourself. Come back and stretch yourself. Stretch your hands, toes down, and slowly you come back. Turn to the side and come back. Okay, it's okay. Now sit. We'll just do the prayer and finish. Join your palms in lotus. Again in lotus. Again in lotus. Quickly. Last. We are just going to finish. Yes. Join. Breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Nilga. Exhale, go down. Surrender to Almighty God, Mother Earth, and your teacher. Inhale, come up. Rub your palms, Viti. Rub your palms nicely. And keeping on your eyes. Then keeping on your head. And you relax. Thank you, Viti.